What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have a new video for you guys and it is on this soft glam look here, and I hope you guys all enjoyed this tutorial even though I feel like it is always everywhere with my videos. I did try making this video before this actual video, but it wasn't really working out, so I just wiped everything off except my brows. And then while I was contemplating on not making a video, I asked Avery, should I make this video, baby? And she yelled whatever she yelled. I took that as a yes. So I remade it and here's this video for you guys, and I hope you all enjoy it. I feel like it's everywhere and there's too much noise in the background. I don't know, I have to rewatch this, and if there is, sorry in advance. But I really do hope you all enjoy this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Like, it's literally not killing you guys to thumb this video up. Even if you don't watch the whole entire video. Like, just give my fucking video a thumbs up, okay? I'm desperate for the thumbs up. No, I'm kidding. I need to shave, but you know. Alright, you guys. Fucking take 2. So I just tried to like do a tutorial, but it wasn't working out. So here's take 2 of it. So I already did my eyebrows, obviously. I'm going to prep and prime them with the Kat Von D High Voltage eyeshadow primer. Now the power wants to cut on. Oh, great. So the palette I'm going to be using is my Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. And I'm going to go in with the color Limits, which is this pink, purple, mauve tone here. Yeah, I know. And I'm just going to add it onto the outer corner of my lid. Outer and then to the middle. I'm not really going to take it towards the inner. Not yet. And if you hear a little baby, it's my chicken nugget. I tried to make this video before she woke up, and like I said, nothing ever goes my way. So if you don't want to hear a baby in the background, I suggest you to exit off this video now because you're going to hear her. Isn't that right? Yeah, I know. Next, I'm going to be going in with the color Nooner, which is here, which is a much darker purple mauve tone. And I'm just going to add that on the outer corner. So now I'm going to go into my Morphe 35C palette, and I'm going to pick up this pink brownish tone, which is here. And I'm just going to add that on top. Now I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm going to be using the color Summer and Moonstone to apply a shimmer. I don't really want a defined crease, so I'm just kind of blending out the top of that line. Going back in with that color I got from the 35C palette by Morphe, and just lightly sweeping to blend all this together. And I'm just highlighting my brow bone. Going to be going with the same brush and just blending that out because you don't want such a harsh highlight or make it look like it's just like one line. Next for foundation, I'm going to be going in with my L'Oreal Maybelline Pro Glow. My L'Oreal Pro Glow. I'm stupid. And this is like the best foundation for more of a natural soft look. It does give you some coverage, but it does give you more of a softer coverage. So next I'm going to be going in with my Wet n Wild concealer, and this is a really light shade compared to the Maybelline Fit Me. This one's close to my color and this one's like really light. So I'm going to be adding both of these. Avery is squaring up with Mama right now. She's always messing with him. It's the funniest shit ever. And Marmar is always running from her. You're the silliest. You playing peekaboo? Peekaboo. So now I'm going in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to be applying that underneath my eye. Making sure that I don't have any creases so far. Making sure I just don't have any creases. Now I'm going to go into my Kat Von D, picking up these two shades to contour and somewhat bronze up my face. Now I'm going to go in with my Milani blush in the color Tea Rose. It's just like this. No? No? You don't want me to add any blush? And then last but not least, I'm going to go back in with my glow kit, and I'm going to be picking up the color Summer for some highlight. I love this brush. It is the best highlighting brush for a highlight. I'm gonna add on some gloss. Usually I do this for the last step, but my lips are chapped as fuck, and I don't know where my Carmex is at. Ew, my lips are chapped as fuck. This is by L'Oreal Infallible 8-Hour Pro Gloss, and this is the color Coral Sands. This is such a pretty color. Ugh. I have a hair in my mouth. Time out. I hate wearing gloss because your hair is always getting in it and it's just so sticky. Alright guys, so this ends the tutorial. I added on my eyelashes off camera, of course, as always. The ones that I have on, I can finally give you guys a name, is by Kiss. Let's say, how did they have it in here? These lashes here, number 11 by the brand Kiss. They're more of a natural demi-wispy look, I guess. And what else? Oh, and I did add on a little bit more glitter on my eyelid. It's this like liquid glitter, It's like a liquid liner, but so good as a liner. All I did was just apply a generous amount, and then before it dried up, I grabbed a brush and I lightly patted it on there. So if you want to add that, you can. You don't, it's fine. It's optional. Anyways, this concludes up this tutorial, and I hope you guys all enjoyed. Sorry for, you know, having this video everywhere. This is why I don't make videos as much anymore. And then I've been wanting to vlog, but I don't because I always forget to get my camera, and then I'm such a shy, awkward person, and I don't want people to look at me while I'm vlogging, so that's another reason why it's another reason why I haven't made videos, because, you know, mom life. Anyways, until next time, and again, sorry for all the disruptions. Oh girl, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh girl, get it, shake it, shake it, shake it. What happened to your face? Maybe song is on. Whoa. Gotta loosen those shoulders so I don't look like those girls. They be going, I am one of those girls. One dimple is deeper than the other. Is it so? Such a head ass. Anyways.